What is Manong's position? Manong Ferdinand's position.
Designation.
Para saan?
Ako, personal assistant.
Para saan?
OD?
For the video. Official driver.
Official driver.
Chief of staff.
Communication.
Si Miss Lawrence of Muñoz. Any designation for tomorrow?
Akala ko magtatayo na siya ng casino dito. PJ.
OG.
OG.
Yeah.
Bimbong GRO.
Akala ko magtatayo na siya ng casino dito. Yun yung foresight niya, no?
Parang she's thinking of going there again. Ano? What designation?
Controller.
Controller. Foreign exchange. Foreign exchange center.
Money changer.
Money changer. Yes, that's it. Money changer.
She looks like the money changer.
You give her money, the conversion is always good.
Dollar changer.
Volt. Mukhang volt.
Mukhang kasera.
Hindi.
Kahera. Kasera.
Kahera.
Sino nagluto nito, Florence? Ikaw?
Sarap mo, no?
Ay, bumida na naman si General Merchandise.
Grabe.
Ang galamig ka doon.
Ito, natalo. Hindi, mas masarap si Bingbong magluto.
Mas masarap ako.
Oh, sige, fine.
Kasi ada singkamas na.
Singkamas?
Oh,
Kamuti yun.
Wala singkamas ka.
Ano singkamas ng ano?
Ano ba? Singkamas ba yun?
Timakikan.
Wala.
Naka-video pa yung timmak.
Nay,
Please edit.
edit that
To
one.
be deleted. Erase.
So far, I don't have problem.
General problem.
That's good.
The only problem is
It's always a success.
My
It's always a
to Bangar.
success.
You have no stresses?
You will have stress when
No
you
stresses.
when
Diba,
you reach
upset?
Bangor.
Upset 2 days.
Right,
Upset.
right when I landed I landed in the airport, I have my personal assistant.
Akala mo,
Money changer first.
akala mo awol.
Nagpamulan na yes.
Di ba siya fired out?
Just reported today.
Just report.
On record,
All of a sudden,
Lawrence.
gone away. My God.
Lawrence was a wall for 2 days.
Wala na. Wala na. Kala niya.
Always looking for
And now the box was left out.
Always looking since
Ang reason niya.
The creek is going up. The water. The water in the creek. They're watching.
She tried to tell me to go with the storm to go and see the creek flowing.
To overflow. Wait for the creek to overflow. Naku, sayang ka. Aalis na makapinsal mo.
Maynard.
Maynard. Okay.
The youngest. Bless your uncle.
What's up? High five. High five.
Uncle
Kay
also here.
Uncle.
High five. High five.
The good looking one.
What's up, Maynard?
Ina.
Say hello to Shato. Say hello to Shato.
My private assistant family so far. I didn't see them yet.
Never mind. Very expensive coming here.
My personal
June.
Because you were in a hurry. They were upset on that day. Saturday.
well,
It was Saturday. Nung first day. They didn't go to office just to see you. Pero you were in a hurry. Dan, sasaksaw sa.
Ito ko si Joey.